living a life that has been always showered with God's countless blessings and grace. I experience endless joy and contentment as I reminisce my childhood days. Even before my birth, I always felt the love and affection of my parents and siblings. God brought me into this world in a family that nurtured me and transformed me to be the best of what I am. My loving parents gave me all the best things in life and inspired me to dream dreams that give me the strength, courage, and determination to hold on to my faith in God's loving providence in whatever struggles I face in life. One of the best things that happened in my life is when I was crowned Miss Teen Allen last year. It was a beautiful dream that turned into a wonderful reality. Even until now, I am still greatly amazed. This was a rare event in my life. I thought that a dream for me considering our status in life. Having been crowned as Miss Teen Allen in 2006 signaled a series of beautiful transformations in my life. My life has started to become colorful. I was like a child moving out from its cocoon and flying into the world as a beautifully colored butterfly. I learned to understand the various nature of people as I came into face-to-face encounters with people whom I thought only adults could interact with. My social life is being treated now with the test of my faith and spirituality. Right now, I am undergoing a critical test in my life. The initial reaction was to contest God's will, but with the loving and tremendous support of my family and friends, I have realized that I must hold on and pray fervently for God's grace to help me cope with these trials and eventually overcome my present situation, and ultimately be living witness of my God's gracious and magnanimity. I am passing through one of the midnights of my life, and I am sure that God's grace, the dawn will come soon and shall see the warm sun shining in my life as I continue to spread the gospel of God's love to humanity. My reign as Miss Teen Allen 2006 culminates tonight, as I bequeath tonight my crown to my successor, the Miss Young Professional 2007. I can't help but recall my feelings last year when it was being placed on my head. I wish therefore to convey my sincerest congratulations and warmest greetings. May you always remember that winning the crown is God's greatest blessing for you. This is an event that must cherish in your life and keep the innermost chamber of your heart. In your lifetime, always thank God for this rare gift. It is one of the finest moments in your life, and even that you cannot take for granted. This will never happen again because it only passes this kind of life we have a precious one. Thank the Lord for this day, and I also ask that you will pray for me. Thank you, and God bless us all.